Welcome back, Crammers, to question 7. Simplify c times c times c times c times c. When multiplying powers, we simply add all the powers that are given. So we have c to the power of 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, or c to the power of 5. Solve 5 plus x is equal to 12. We bring 5 to the other side, and we have x is equal to 12 minus 5. X is equal to 7. Solve y divided by 6 is equal to 3. We multiply both sides by 6 to remove the denominator, and we have y is equal to 3 times 6, or y is equal to 18. Expand 5 into 2 plus 3h. So when multiplying polynomials, we always multiply everything inside the polynomial. So we have 5 times 2, which is 10, and 5 times 3h, which is 15h. So we write here 10 plus 15h. Factorize g squared plus 7g. We have to get the common from both of them, and here I can see that both variables have g. So we can put here g. Now, g squared divided by g is simply g to the power of 2 minus 1, or just g. So we can write here into g plus, and g divided by g is equal to 1. So 1 times 7 is just 7. So we can write here as our final answer, g into g plus 7. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.